Hi there, it's Billy Tarasio from Modern Law, and it's time for an update on what is happening with the court systems. Our current operations are as locked down as ever, but they'll begin opening up right now. So, in the last month, during the stay at home order, all of the courts closed except the downtown courthouse. And the judge, our presiding judge, has called this essential services operations or the break glass operations. He likened this to what would happen if if there was a fire emergency at a building, you would break the glass and pull the alarm. And the courthouse had to figure out in 36 hours when Doug Ducey issued his executive stay at home order how to operate on a skinny essential services way. And the way they did that was they closed all the regional courts at the Southeast, Northeast, and Northwest, and only allowed downtown court operations for the application of orders of protection, contested hearings on orders of protection, emergency ex parte motions, hearings or conferences arising from the filing of those emergency motions. And then we've been doing those via phone and via video. 4D hearings have been suspended. Litigants for the essential services proceedings enter through the court security and go up to the fifth floor. It's been very, very restrictive. There have been judicial staff have also been very restricted. One staff member per day, per division, per week. So each division can designate either a judicial assistant or a bailiff for the division to be physically present at the courthouse only one day each week, which is pretty crazy. So now, starting today, the court is going into a modified operations or skinny operations is what we're calling it. And the good news is that all court staff may return to work at their regularly assigned positions and locations. So Superior Court operations at the Southeast, Northeast, and Northwest are opening, but the public is still going to be restricted from accessing the court facilities except for the essential services. So under the skinny operations plan, any proceeding that can be handled telephonically or through video conferencing will go forward. And in the next video, I talked to attorney Kylie Bigelow about how to prepare for a video meeting using GoToMeeting. What else do you need to know? Many of the programs through conciliation services like mediations, open negotiations, conciliation conferences, early resolution conferences, those are all going to be conducted telephonically. The biggest change from the break glass to the skinny operations is the presence and the accessibility of the court staff and the court procedures for the family department. So being able to go to the Mesa courthouse or the Northeast courthouse or the Northwest courthouse is a big change, and it will make it easier for you to conduct business and for us to conduct business on your behalf. We don't know what new normal is going to look like, but we are emerging out of the most restrictive phase of operations into a less restrictive phase, which is really good news. If you've got questions on your case, if you've got a case that's stuck, contact Modern Law. We can help. We have figured out a way to move people through this during this 6 weeks period that we've already had of lockdown, and moving forward, we know how to operate within this system, and we would love to help you. Talk soon. Bye.